First rain, then ice cut this small community in two.
We were stranded yesterday here. We couldn't get out. And these events seem to be happening more frequently in the last few years.
Yesterday, Debbie McCann took this video of one of the community's historic covered bridges, punched through with water and ice, severely damaged. New Brunswick was inundated with heavy rain and then dropping temperatures. Dams were opened and roads closed. As swollen rivers overflowed, then froze, making driving icy and dangerous, even impossible. A man and his dog were stuck in this van overnight. It had been swept off the road. Road crews heard his calls for help this morning.
So they were able to walk through the icy, cold water and to rescue the man and his dog.
At this farm, neighbors helped shovel out spoiled hay. Yesterday, others rescued calves and moved cows to higher ground.
We needed trailers, and we had a whole army of trailers come down the road to help us out, so yeah.
It's the way this water came up so fast in no amount of time, there was no way to plan for something like that.
People were ordered from their homes over fears that a dam west of St. John could fail. Tonight, that danger has passed, and residents are being allowed to return home. Officials say it will take days to assess all the storm damage. Over 30 roads remain closed as waters recede, leaving their signature in ice. Catherine Harrop, CBC News, Hoyt.